In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio how to remove stream delay new fix. If your chat reactions feel a few seconds behind what's on screen, this walkthrough will help you cut that delay down to the bare minimum. A tiny bit of latency is normal because platforms buffer your stream, but with the right platform and OBS settings, you can get it impressively close to real time. Start on your streaming platform's creator dashboard like Twitch. Find your stream preferences and look for the latency or delay option. Switch it to low latency. This tells the platform to buffer less, which is the foundation of a snappier stream experience. Just remember, ultra aggressive latency can make the stream a bit more sensitive to unstable connections, so a reliable upload line really helps. Now open OBS Studio, click Settings, then go to the Output tab, change the output mode to Advanced so you can access the controls we need. Under your streaming encoder section, set rate control to CBR or constant bitrate. CBR keeps your video data predictable, which streaming platforms handle more smoothly for low latency delivery. While you're there, set your keyframe interval to 2 seconds. Many platforms require a 2-second keyframe interval, and it also helps the player recover quickly if viewers encounter brief hiccups. For the preset, choose an option optimized for lower latency. On NVIDIA's NVENC encoder, look for something like P3 to P5, which balances speed and quality while keeping encode delay low. Then set the profile to high or main. High offers the best compatibility and quality for most viewers without adding extra delay. Next, go to File Settings and Advanced. In the Stream Delay section, make sure Enable is unchecked. If this is turned on, OBS will intentionally hold your video for a set number of seconds, which defeats the purpose of a near real-time stream. Turning it off removes that artificial buffer. To further reduce encoding lag, use a hardware encoder. Choose NVENC if you're on an NVIDIA GPU or AMF if you're on AMD. Hardware encoders are designed to compress video quickly without tying up your CPU, which helps frames get out to the platform faster and more consistently. If hardware options aren't available, pick a faster CPU preset to prioritize speed over heavy compression. Before you go live, double check that your bitrate matches your upload capacity, and if possible, use a wired Ethernet connection. With these platform and OBS tweaks in place, your stream should feel markedly more responsive, and your chat will see and hear you almost as soon as it happens. Happy streaming!